Hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to add certificates in your LinkedIn profile. So first, go to your profile in LinkedIn and then go to add profile section right here and then scroll down until you see recommended and then click on add licenses and certifications. And then from here, you'll be asked some details about your certificate like the name, issuing organization, issue date, expiration date, credential ID, credential URL, and then you'll be asked to add a skill, so associate at least one skill to this license or certification. And then lastly, you can add images or the link of the site in which you got your certificate. So just fill that all up and then, for example, I will add the image of my certificate. So here, certificates. And as you can see, my certificate is there. And then once you're done, just click on apply and then it will be updated in your LinkedIn profile. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to add certificates in your LinkedIn profile. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.